Is she? Big thank you to Platform Events who've just given us a suite in the InterContinental Hotel at the O2 as part of the Platform Events Interior Design and Architecture Summit. Really fantastic event if anyone's interested in meeting new suppliers. And yeah, we had Richard from Carey Sweeney talking all about planning, and we had a lovely suite where we had a nice lounge area, so it was brilliant. So really excited to share that one. I've got a couple more to edit first before that one comes out, so that will probably be in the new year, but really looking forward to sharing all that one all with you. And yeah, home now. We're going to design some toilets. Bye.